Hey everyone, Vinay here, back with another video. In this video, we'll see how to install Java JDK in Windows. First of all, head over to this URL and then based on which version you want for JDK, you can select that specific version. So current version is JDK 24. So I'm going to select this 24 and then next is select your OS operating system. So based on your operating system, you can select that specific tab. And currently I have Windows, so I'm going to select as Windows. And then here there are multiple types of installation file. So I'm going to select x64 mxi installer. I'm going to click on this. It's going to ask, I already have that file here. Okay. And I'm not going to save it again. So you can just click on this. It's going to download it. So once the file is downloaded, you'll have this .msi file. Just double click on that and it's going to ask you for the installation. Click on next and it's going to show you the path where the JDK will be installed. So currently it's program files Java, and within the folder we have JDK-24. I'm okay with that. Click on next. Yeah. So now that JDK is successfully installed, just click on close. So after installing, so open the environment variables and inside that you're going to add a variable called Java underscore home. And so you're going to add the file path where the latest JDK version is installed. So previously I have JDK 23. Now I have installed 24. Just change it to JDK-24. Just click on OK. And also click on the path variable as well. And also add this line percentage Java underscore home percentage slash bin. Okay. So once this is added, just click on OK. Just click on OK. Now you can access the Java version throughout your system. So to verify that, open the terminal and type Java hyphen version. So currently, so we have installed JDK 24, right? So this is my version. Okay, that is how you install the latest JDK on Windows. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.